Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Photoshop tips. In today's video, I will show you how to move Photoshop layer from layer to another Photoshop document. So let's get started. So as you can see right here, I have this particular PSD file design right here, and all layers are being fully represented. Let's say, for instance, I want to move this particular text layer, and I want to move it to another document entirely. How do you do that? So first thing first, make sure you select the layer. So I select the text layer right here. Exactly, this is what I want to move to another new document. So next thing we want to do is go ahead and create a new document. So you can easily come to the top right here. We'll right click on here, and then we go ahead and make sure you click on new document right here. And this is going to pop up right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and set up the type of document file size. So I'm going to name it testing. Then I'm going to go ahead and set to different size. So I'm going to make this 8 by 5. Then I'm going to make it something like this. Then you have to, I'm going to make it 300 pixels. Everything depends on how you want the document to be set right here. So once you are done with all these necessary settings for the document, come down below right there and make sure you click on it. Then here we go. So I want to move that particular layer into this new document. How do we do that? What we want to do is to go ahead and go back to the design PSD right here. Then when we get to the design sections right here, then we have the layer right here that we want to move. Next thing you want to do is to drag this way. Go ahead and drag it until you get to this particular point. Do not release your mouse until the document open up. Then come down below right here like this and drag it right here. And in a few seconds, you are going to see the text layer that you just moved right here. Just like what you see right here. Then you can easily go ahead and adjust every necessary thing right here that you want to adjust. So you can see all the text right here has been fully moved. So let's, for instance, I want to move the logo layer. So I will go back to the file section right here, and I'll make sure I navigate to logo layer. So click on the logo layer, drag, and then until you get to this particular file, then drop it down right here. And then here we go. We have the logo right here. It's that simple. So you can move as many as possible layer from the existing design to a new document in Photoshop. It's that simple. For more tutorial about how best to use your PSD file or Photoshop like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you